Hi Amber, this is Michaela. I spoke with you on the phone today, and as mentioned, here's just a quick video to walk through your website with you, show you how to get new leads and optimize your site based on what Google looks for, and go over your overall online performance. So to start, I do have a background with digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks at 3 specific aspects when ranking their sites. Those aspects are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. Probably the biggest factor for organic movement of your website is going to be content. And content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your site. So that information there works. You have one little thing there, and that's it. So virtually zero content on your homepage, right? Let me tell you why content is so important, as well as give you an example. So anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia always shows up as your #1 search result. Well, why is that? It's because it has so much content. So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet, finds content-rich sites, and naturally moves them up the rankings. So after doing some research for some of the competition in your area, as well as knowing how much Google loves content, I'm going to recommend you have between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content on your homepage alone. This is going to help you to outrank anybody who is currently ranking for content, because no site that I saw today has even remotely close to that amount of content. So you will be the content leader in the area. And again, from what we know about Google and Wikipedia, the one with the most content gets that top result, right? So that's going to secure you as the leader for content in your area. And it's going to allow Google to find you when it does that sweep of the internet, making it easier for Google to move you. With that said, on every additional page that you offer, we typically recommend that every service have its own page on your website. And again, we do this for 2 reasons. Number 1, for every new page that you offer, it allows you to add more content, anywhere between 750 to 1,000 words of content per page. So imagine 1,000 here, 2,000, 3, 4,000, 4,000 more words of content. Again, fully securing that position on a Google platform and being the top rated person for content alone. It also allows us to put specific keywords for every service that you offer on those pages. So for instance, carpet cleaning, Fayetteville, Arkansas would need to be present on your carpet cleaning page. Google has only a certain amount of H tags, or your headings, that it actually ranks per page, as well as when we can get them all focused in on one specific area, it makes it easier for Google to point back to our website on several different aspects. Next, I want to take you here to Ahrefs, and this just gives us a breakdown of how you're currently doing on the internet today. And as we see, you're currently getting about 40 people coming to your website every month, which is a pretty good number. But people who are really doing well in your area have upwards of 80 to 100, so definitely missing out on some leads there, and we can double the amount of traffic we have coming to our website. Part of it is ranking for keywords. We want to rank for more appropriate keywords in our area, as well as rank higher for the keywords that we're currently ranking for. And all that comes back to the content and the keyword placement on your website. Again, by adding multiple pages and putting these keywords throughout those pages, it's going to allow you to appropriately rank for more keywords and rank higher for the keywords that you're currently ranking for. Next, I want to take you here to UR. UR is directly related to citations, and as I see here, you guys do have a top 3 position on the GMB, which is great. That definitely is the exposure aspect that we'd like to talk about, getting your name and information in front of people. But with that said, I would continue to keep adding citations, just because somebody can easily come and bump you out of this position. The more citations you add, let's go ahead and get to the top position here and widen that margin between any of our competition and our business as well. That's going to help keep you maintaining the leading position on citations as well. Because if you're winning for content, let's go ahead and win and be the area leader for citations as well. That's going to cause this UR number to continue to climb, and I'm going to tell you why that's important in just a second. Lastly, let's talk about DR. DR is directly related to backlinks and referring domains. And a backlink is anywhere that your business's website has a clickable link on another business website. Think Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. The more good quality referring domains that we get pointing back to our website is actually going to cause this DR number to go up. As you see, with your 118 backlinks, you're not doing anything for your DR, meaning they're not super influential. So getting good referring domains that have a lot of traffic and are trusted by Google is going to be key to causing this DR to go up. Those who get a ton of traffic to their website have high UR, high DR, and a high amount of appropriately placed keywords in the content of their website, which results in high traffic. And again, new leads coming to your site. So again, content, citation, backlinks are the three main factors that Google looks for when ranking any website along their platform. Well, that's all the information I have for you today. Please send me a quick email. Tell me what you thought about this video. I would greatly appreciate it. But for now, that's all I have for you. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll be in touch. Bye-bye.